Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have the second lecture on the partnership. David started a business with rupees 200, 2,400 at the beginning of a year. Musa became a partner by investing rupees 7,200 in the middle of the year. And they gained a profit of rupees 1,600 at the end of the year. Find each one's share in the profit. Now here, David invested 2,400 for the whole year. So we have to multiply 2,400 multiplied by the 12. So Musa invested 7,200 for in the middle of the year. That means we have to multiply with 6 here. So this is the amount 28800 and 43200. This is the amount of the Musa. Now we have to take out their share here. So this is to David and Musa. So this will be cancelled out to this one. Simplify this one. 2:3. Now we have to find out the sum of ratio here. That is 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we have to find out the share of David or David's share. That is the ratio of the David divided by the sum of ratio and the multiply the profit which we have divided among David and Musa. That is 1,600 rupees. So this is the David share. It is 640 rupees. 2 multiplied by 1,600 and divided by 4. So this is the share of the David. Now here, share of Musa, that is the share, the ratio of Musa divided by the sum of ratio and the multiply 1,600, the profit which we have divided among these two persons. So this is 3 multiplied by 1,600 divided by 5, that is 960 rupees. This is the share of Musa. So here David started a business with rupees 200, 2,400 at the beginning of a year, and Musa became a partner by investing rupees 7,200 in the middle of the year, and they gained a profit of 1,600 at the end of the year. Find each one's share in the profit. So first we have to multiply 2,400 multiplied by 12 because David invested whole year, for the whole year, and Musa started the business in the middle of the year. So we have to multiply 6 of his investment, that is the 7,200. So just we have to take out their ratio, that is 2:3. Then we have to find out the sum of ratio, and now we have to find out the share of the David. Take out the ratio of the David divided by the sum of ratio multiplied by the profit which we have to divide among David and Musa. Same as for the Musa here, Musa's share is 3 divided by the sum of ratios and multiplied by the total amount which we have divided among the Musa. So this is the share of David, 640 rupees, and this is the share of Musa, 960 rupees. Okay boys, now dear students, come to the next question here. That is the divide 10,000 rupees among A, B, C so that A may receives 1/5 as much as B and C together, and B gets 1/4 of A and C together. Find the share of A and B. So here A, B and C, we have to divide 10,000 among A, B, C. So here, according to the given condition, A receive 1 upon 5 of B and C together. That means B plus C. So we have to shift here. So this is 5A. It is equals to B plus C. This is, say, equation number 1. Now here, and B gets 1 upon 4 of A and C together. That means B, it is equals to 1 upon 4 of A and C together. So we have to shift this 4 here. So this is 4B. It is equals to A plus C. This is, say, equation number 2. Here we have to divide 10,000 among A, B, C so that A may receive 1 upon 5 as much as B and C together. This equation can be written in this form. 1 upon 5, B and C together means B plus C. So we have to shift this 5 here. This is equation number 1. Now come to the second condition, the same question. B gets 1 upon 4 of A and C together. That means B, it is equals to 1 upon 4 of A plus C. So here, this is the equation number 2. Now here, A, B, C, 10,000, we have to divide in A, B, C among A, B, C. That means their share A plus B plus C will be equal to the total amount which we have divided among A, B, C. So this is, say, equation number 3. A plus B plus C, it is equals to 10,000 because their sums will be equal to the total amount which we have divided among A, B, C here. So if you have to focus in equation number 1, here B plus C, it is equals to 5A. So here A, B plus C, it is equals to 5A from equation number 1. So this is 5A. It is equals to 10,000. Focus here, please. This is B plus C. B plus C. So what is the value of B plus C? It is equals to 5A. So this is B plus C. It is equals to 5A. So this is 6A. It is equals to 10,000. So the value of A is divided by 6. That is 1,666 plus 0.66 rupees. This is the share of A. This is the share of A. Now again we have to consider equation number 3 again. That is A plus B plus C, that is equals to 10,000. So this is A plus B plus C, it is equals to 10,000. So here we have to rearrange this. A plus C plus B equals to 10,000 because A plus C in equation number 2, it is equals to 4B. So A plus C, it is equals to 4B. So just we have to put its value here. So this is 5B. So the value of B is value of B is 2,000 rupees. So this is the share of B, that is equals to 2,000 rupees. Here in question number 2, in lecture 2 of the partnership, divide rupees 10,000 among A, B, C so that A may receives 1 upon 5 as much as B and C together. So that means A, it is equals to 1 upon 5 B plus C. And we have to separate this one. This is equation number 1. Now come to the second condition, the same question. B gets 1 upon 4 of A and C together. So that is B is equals to 1 upon 4 A plus C. So this is 4 we have to shift here. So this is equation number 2. Now here A plus B plus C, it is equals to 10,000, because when we have to divide 10,000 among A, B, C, so then their share sums will be equal to the 10,000. So if we have to focus in equation number 1 here, B plus C, it is equals to 5A. So we have to consider equation number 3 here. So B plus C, it is equals to 5A, and we have to find out the value of A here. Now for the value of B, A plus B plus C, it is equals to 10,000 again. Just we have to shift A with C here. A plus C, it is equals to 4B. So just we have to put the value 4B. It is 5B, and this is the value of B. It is equals to 2,000 rupees. Dear students, thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it with your colleagues, friends, and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.